Hi beauties, welcome if you are a new beauty. My name is Danita B. Today in this video I'll be finishing up my passion twist hair. And the hair that I am using is from a brand called Beauty. They reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their new passion twist hair. Here is one bundle out of the pack. You get 6 of these in one pack for $34. I will leave the link down below if you want to purchase this hair. And in each bundle there is 22 strands. I did the 2-strand method, so I only had 11 in each bundle. I did do the majority of my hair off camera because I didn't want to make this video super long or anything like that. I did parting off camera too because this was my first time doing triangle parting, and honey, I used the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. I used this for my parting so I can have like clean parts. I applied this leave-in conditioner from Shea Moistures, and I use my Wild Growth oil. Here I did use the rubber band method because I'm not a good gripper, so I did soak my rubber bands in oil overnight. So now you just take your crochet hook. I'm gonna start with this one over here. On the sides like this, I like to go down and then pull my crochet hook in there like that. And I'm gonna close it because I don't want it to hook on any hair. Then I'm gonna take my 2 strands. Got 2 strands right here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it together and kind of feather it out a little bit. Feather out the ends. Then I like to twist it a little just to make sure I get it all into the crochet hook. Then I'm going to open that crochet hook back. Then I'm just going to take it and slide it in that crochet hook and close the hook. And then just pull it through. And then I'm going to take, I'm just going to pull through one of the ends. It's one of the twist ends. And then I just like to stretch it out and, you know, make sure it's even at the bottom up here. And then I'm going to tighten up my rubber band. Just separate your hair into 2 and just kind of like pull it and tighten it up a little bit. Okay, to cover up my rubber band, I took one of these and I wrapped it, but you want to make sure you wrap it in the same direction you're going to twist in. So on this side, I normally twist, hold on y'all, let me get it right. I normally twist this way, so I'm going to wrap this one, or hold on. I'm not going to wrap this one. I'm going to wrap this one, the bottom one. I'm going to wrap it backwards like this. Because that's the direction I'm going to twist in. And I'm just going to twist it until my rubber band is completely covered. This was the only method that worked. This is the only method that worked for me, that covered it up the way I wanted it to be covered up. Because I wasn't feeling the rubber band showing like that. So just twist it and twist it and twist it. You can see right there it's still showing a little. So I'm just going to twist that over again, that side, like that. And twist. And make sure you do like real tight a little. You know, it covered it up a little bit better than just having it showy. Like that. And then I'm going to take a piece of my real hair, because I split it in 2, and I'm just going to twist. And when you twist, you want to like twist the hair, like you know how you do like your Havana twist and you kind of like roll the hair as you twist it. That's what you want to do. And then you just twist. So I'm going to take some Shine and Jam And I'm going to put it on my hair like so. Then just twist. And if you want to leave hair out, just pull a piece out. The ends, I'm going to take some more little shine jam, and I'm just going to put a little bit up there on the hair and just twist it down. Cut off the little excess hair that I don't want up there. Just cut that off, and bam, there your twist. And for this piece of hair, I'm going to take some shine jam finger, and I'm just going to apply it onto that. Here's how the spring twist will look once it's complete.